have enough forehead space for this, okay? I really don't. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. Hello, my name is Caitlin. How are you doing? You should definitely subscribe. Like, I know you're gonna like this video, and I know you're gonna want more of this beautiful chocolate face. So hit the red button, great, and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, you can go down in the description box below and follow me on my social media accounts. Like, all you gotta do is just go down there, click the link, and then put heart eyes on all my bomb pictures. And once you're done doing all that, make sure to leave a comment below and tell me if you liked the video, of course. So yeah, now that we got all that out of the way, by the title of this video, you already know who has to go down. So like, I'm excited. I'm ready to try it, see what I can come up with. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so if you read the title, you know what I'm about to try to do. I'm about to try this new crazy trend with edges, girl. Like, yes, TikTok is going blowing up. The first person I saw do it, to be honest, was Dearra. Well, I know they do it, but like the first person I saw do it tastefully was Dearra, in my opinion. So that's gonna be my inspo and all of that. So what it is basically is just edges on steroids. If I'm being honest, like, it's not even baby hairs anymore. It's adult hairs in there as well. And the girls are, you know, swooping them, swapping them, and it's kind of cute. But the only thing that I didn't like was that they were using a flat iron to do it, and I was like, you know, we're not about that heat damaged life over this way. So I'm going to be trying to do it without any direct heat. And yeah, like, I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time, because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna feel like I wasted my time. So okay, so I'm ready. So like, let's just get right into this video. To start off, I'm going to be releasing my adult / baby hairs. And I'm just gonna slide my bonnet back. If you say something about my edges or about my cornrows, you're anti-black. I'm gonna slide this back, and you know, she's looking how she's looking. So let's just comb the baby's hairs down so we can get right into this process. I'm from Kiss because I got a packet. They sent me a packet of their stuff, for their edge stuff. So I'm just gonna be using that, and I'll have everything linked below just for you, girl, if you want to check it out. I'll start with this little brush thingy, and I'm just gonna brush down my baby / adult hairs, okay, to get everything down and ready. We have our baby / adult hairs down, and like, you know, we're gonna see what we're gonna be working with. Now it's time to go in with the foam and to get these bad boys prepped for curling, because we're gonna curl them instead of using the flat iron. I'm just gonna get my new Roby foam, and once again, I'll have everything linked below if you want to purchase it. And I'm just gonna put this all over my hairline, of course. The foam in our edges, I'm just gonna work it in, you know, like I'm doing a roller set. We're just gonna work this into our edges and our adult / baby hairs. I probably shouldn't have put that much, but I did. So what's done is done. And I'm also gonna go back in with the brush I got, and I'm just gonna comb it in, you know, work the product in. Y'all know what to do when you do a roller set. I'm just gonna do an edge set. My edge is feeling a little tender right now. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my rollers. I wish I had some like mini perm rods, but if you can get those, I would suggest using those because they're smaller. But I'm just gonna use these, and I'm just gonna roll up my edges. And yeah, y'all can watch me roll up my adult / baby hairs. Girl, you do not want to do this too tight because you do not want all that strain on your edges. So now I have my edges all rolled up, and this one is kind of tight. I did that one kind of tight. Don't do it too tight. Like, the purpose of this is to not put as much stress on your edges as a flat iron would do. So just don't do it too tight, please. I don't need y'all in my comments. You did my edges out. No, I didn't. And yeah, I'm gonna use a blow dryer though, because I need to speed this process up because I have somewhere to be later. But you know, for a heatless alternative, you could just do this overnight and wake up in the morning and take out the flexi rods or perm rods, whatever you use. We'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I don't know how much time I let pass. I was just holding up the blow dryer to my hair because I couldn't find my hoodie blow dryer. So now I'm just gonna see if they're dry. Hopefully they are. See what we're working with. It probably wasn't even over 20 minutes that I've been doing this, so let's just see. Hopefully. All right. Okay, it's stretched out. Like, that's what I really wanted, for it to be stretched out. I kind of think I went in the wrong direction though, but it's okay, it's fine. These are my edges, you know. This is how they're looking so far. So now I'm about to try to, you know, sweep them, fleek them, flop them, and then I'm gonna put on my headband thing, and we're just gonna see how this looks. And I'm just gonna try to separate them. In with our gel, and I am gonna link everything below. So yeah, this is gel I'm using. They sent me 3 of them, and it smells so good. Like, that's one thing I like about these. Like, I bought these before myself. I had the watermelon one, so good. I usually just put it on my hair just so my hair can smell like that. I don't have enough forehead space for this, okay? I really don't. But I did. I don't think I do. After countless hours of swooping, sweeping, and duping, and glooping, and cooping, I am done. I'm just gonna let these bad boys dry for like some minutes. My edges hurt, girl. I don't know. I'll just be back, and we can see the final result. Like, I don't even think I did mine as exaggerated because I forgot I don't have a forehead, so that complicates things when you know. And I hope they're cute. Like, I hope they did good. Okay, yeah. Time for the big reveal. I did put my wig on, just was gonna put my headband on just to, you know, tie everything together. I think the foam made it get white because it was doing it over here and over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, they're kind of popping, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is the wig that I made myself. If you want to see how I made it, I'll have a link below in the description box. But I'm just gonna put this headband on real quick. I should have put the headband on first, but anyways, let's just do that. Like, do you see the slayage of the edges? Like, I actually kind of like this. Like, usually I don't do my edges as big because, like I said again, I don't have that big of a forehead. But when I do like a sleek back or like a bun or something, this could be cute. But these are the final results, and like, TikTok can be right sometimes. Like, like at first when I saw the trend, I was like, oh my goodness, they're really putting a flat iron to their head just to get some adult baby hairs. But it's kind of a look, if I do say so myself. Like, they just add like a extra pizzazz. I want to put on some lashes now because they just look that cute. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put on some lashes to close out this video, and I'm gonna be right back because it kind of look cute. Okay, right back. Okay, so I am completely done. The lashes are on, and I'm feeling real cute. So tell me how you rate this below. I rated it a 10 out of 10. I might, well, maybe like an 8 out of 10 because the foam really didn't mesh well with the gel. So I might use like a different type of gel combo next time, but the edges are slayed. It's so dramatic, and well, they're not as dramatic as other people's are, but I feel like this is dramatic enough for me. This is enough as my forehead can handle. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned anything new, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to make the red button great and subscribe to my channel. Now you want to see more of this beautiful chocolate face and more of these beautiful chocolate lashes. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts will be listed below, linked just for you, and also the products will be listed below just for you. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.